Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the CapCut AI to create a video. As you can see here, I have installed the CapCut from my Android phone, and if you are the user of the iPhone or the iOS, and don't forget to install it first in of your app store. So without any further ado, and let's get try to create a video from the app AI in a CapCut. So this is the homepage look, and I will go to the AI lab. And as you can see here, this AI lab provides you to create the story maker and also the AutoCAD to create some video over here, and also another tools that will allow you to create the auto caption, AI avatar, AI poster, and AI model. And there are a lot of templates that you would like to create by your personal creation. And since we would like to create the video from this AI, which means it will be generated or be transformed from the text or prompt to become a video. And here I will choose this AI story maker. Then I will input my prompt over here. Let's say I would love to create a video about the life of grid, and this is the point that I have prepared before, and I will select done over here. And let's say I will choose this realistic film. Then I will choose the auto voiceover. Still keep being narrated in English. And I will choose the aspect ratio of 9:60. And let's generate it. So it will allow you to wait for a while, and if you have any recommendation or another AI that will help you to generate from the text or prompt into a video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below guys, because there can be our inspiration. And if you would like to know also about the another AI that will support you to create the video, please kindly stay tuned into this channel, because we will provide you a bunch of video tutorial. So guys, have you ever made the video before using the AI, and what is your favorite theme about the video? Is that about the tutorial or about the nature or about the beneficial about something? And please don't worry to put it on a comment down below and share with us about your favorite theme or favorite subject. It's a little bit more being generated, and it will show you the result after this. There you go guys. If you would like to create by another prompt, please don't forget to create it by yourself, and please inform us that this tip and trick also work for you guys. So that's all from me. Don't forget to practice it by yourself, and I believe that you will master a lot of AI that will beneficial for your future. So that's all from me, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to know more about another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.